Alright, this video is a review of everything for factoring. So the first thing we have is looking for common factors. If you start with a factoring problem, that's what you want to look for. So the first one we have, they have a common factor of 2 and x squared. So you want to factor it out, and that would leave us with 2 plus 3x. And if you need help with this, go back to the factoring out the GCF video. This one. Right? If they also have a negative in common, you want to factor that out with it as well, and then also the 2x that they have in common. And so that would leave us with 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. And then there's your trinomial that you can try to factor using trinomials. So that's why you want to get the GCF out first. It'll tell us whether we can do a 2-term, a 3-term, or a 4-term with it. Okay, after they get the GCF, you're now left with 2 terms, or you're starting with 2 terms. And we have our 3 types. We have difference of squares, and that's all you have to worry about if you're taking algebra. If you are intermediate or higher, then you need all 3, which is difference of squares, difference of cubes, and sum of cubes. So difference of squares, we're supposed to find out what's being squared, and that's a 4 and an x, which gives us 4 minus x and 4 plus x. If it's a cube, and you can tell because they're perfect cubes, you're finding out what's being cubed. And that is a 4 and an x. And so that gives us 4 minus x, and then our signs are same, opposite, always positive. Let me move this over some more. And so we get plus and plus. And then 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times x is 4x. And x times x is x squared. And the minus is the same thing. So we get 3x for our cube. And y for our cube. And so our sign is 3x plus y. So same, opposite, always positive. 3x and 3x is 9x squared. 3xy, it goes in the middle, and then yy is y squared. And there are our 2 terms. And if we're dealing with 3 terms, I'm going very quick because these have all been gone over with our videos, so if you need help with any of these, just go back and watch the video. Alright, with 3 terms, we had 2 types. We have a equal to 1, and we have a not equal to 1. So with a equal to 1, you just list the factors of the last, and one of them will add up to the middle term. If a does not equal 1, then we're supposed to multiply and then find the factors. So for 24, that would be 8 and 3. And so you write 2x squared minus 8x minus 3x plus 12. Put it in the box. Check it, and we're good. So it's 2x minus 3 and x minus 4. And then the last one is 4 terms, and you could do grouping or box. So these have an x in common, a y, an m, and a 3q. And then grouping, we get an x, we get a y. And that's everything. That's all of our factoring. So we have GCF, and that's that video. We have 2 terms, and that's that video. And then we have 3 terms, and you have the a equal to 1 video, and the a not equal to 1 video. And then you also have the last one, which is 4 terms. So you want to go in order. GCF. If there's nothing in common or you factored out the GCF, then you count the terms that are left and see if you can factor using those. And that's it. That is the review.